Welcome to TinyWonderVille, the place to learn and play.
A for apple.
B is for ball. C for cat.
D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H for hat. H is for hat. I for ice. I for ice cream.
J is for jelly. K is for kite. K for L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P is for penguin, pink and blue. I love penguins, how about you? Q for queen. R is for rabbit, hopping all day. R is for rabbit, come out and play. S is for sun, shining bright up in the sky.
T for tiger. U for umbrella.
V for violin. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. The zebra starts with a Z, dancing and smiling right next to me. Thanks for watching TinyWonderVille. See you next time.